Hello and welcome to IM Labs. In this video we will show how to install the ATS Scan web scanner in Parrot Linux. The process is same with Kali Linux, so I prefer using Parrot Linux, that is why I will continue with Parrot Linux. So first of all, this is my Parrot Linux. I am using VMware Workstation 16 Pro. So I will go to Mozilla Firefox and search here ATS Scan GitHub. So this is the GitHub link. I will provide the link in the description. So the steps are almost easy. It is given here one by one, so we will just follow the steps for the installation. So this is my Parrot terminal. First of all, I will go to the sudo mode and I will copy this link and paste it in my terminal and press enter. So I have already downloaded the file, so that is it already exists. So now let us start installing it. So it is telling cd ATS scan. So let us go into the folder and grant permission to the atsscan.pl file. Next, for the installation we need to grant access to another file, that is the install.sh, and now we will run the install.sh file. So here ATS scan is getting installed. For the terms and condition agreement, I just press capital Y and enter, and the default path also I am keeping same, I am not changing it. So now the tool is getting installed. It is asking for one more option. How do you like to boot the tool? I will keep the default option, that is whenever I will call the tool, then only the tool will appear. So therefore the tool has been installed. To start the tool, the command is pretty simple, ATS scan. So here is the tool. Now it is asking for the actual commands which it required to run. So I will show two commands, one to find out a IP geolocation and another to generate a hash of a MD5 value. So let me go to Google and search for my own IP address. So this is my IP, so I will go on that. So here instead of this IP, I will give this IP 59.144.53.180, and the meaning of the command is ATS scan to call the tool, -t is for target, and -geoloc is for geolocation tracking. So let me press enter, and now let us search. So it has got that I am using Mozilla Firefox Google bot, and it redirected me to my website. There is error code is 500, and therefore the scan has finished. So therefore my geolocation has been found. Now if I go to my Google bot and I check, my geolocation will be found. I won't do that because of security issues. One more thing we can do is we can find out hash value of any word, like the hash value of the word hello, MD5 hash value of the word hello is this one. We can try with some more words like IEM labs. So this is the result. If I type here ATS, so this is the result. So this is how we can also find out the hash values of the tools also. There are many more uses. These are the main two usage which I thought of showing. So this is how we can install and use the ATS scan tool in our Linux, that may be Parrot or Kali. So thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.